Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to take a look at another aviation-related t-shirts that go to make a quilt. And so stay tuned while we show you the one that we call the Blue Ash Quilt.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, for a number of years, Luann and I worked the Blue Ash Airport show, and it was done by a variety of people. Cheryl and Tom Pop did it, but the shirts were bought by Schmidt Aviation, Tom Pop Construction Company, Exec Aviation, and then we also threw in some shirts from the Roy Lopresti races that they had at a convention every year, and you can see them there in blue and orange and green, and finally a Shop Monkey shirt at the bottom there on the right. So anyway, that's pretty much our Blue Ash quilt, and again, it's made out of quilts from all the years at the air show. 16 panels, 56 by 56 inches, and then on the back it is covered in a red velour. Makes for a nice warm fuzzy blanket. So ladies and gentlemen, you can take your old t-shirts and have them made into a quilt. There's Luann waving her finger up at the top, and again, it's nice and warm material on the back. So again, we thank you for watching for this, and again, it's a fun project to do, and we hope you're having fun at your house. Thank you.